Wondering which business to launch this year? 25 is the bursting with the high potential opportunity from AI assistant to sustainable packing. In this video, we explore the best, most future ready business ideas you can start now, even on the small budget. Let's dive in. With the shift in the AI, green tech, and wellness, consumer demands are evolving fast. According to sources like entrepreneurs, startups in these spaces are not only profitable, they are scalable, social relevant. So, what's a trending in 2025? Let's discuss. Idea was in the AI powered personal assistant. So, personal assistant built with the large language models are transforming daily life. These digital helpers go beyond the scheduling. They can streamline the workflow, manage the email, summarize the content, even after offer the personalized insights. Why it works? Business and busy professionals crave time saving automations. Launch with a niche, writer, student, real estate agents, etc. So these are the one thing. Sustainable and eco packaging. With the climate awareness rising, brands seeking the eco-friendly packing, experts highlight the biodegradable and carbon-neutral solutions. That's one. Start small. Create the custom packing for the local artisans, organic food brands, or eco-concise e-commerce stores. That's one thing. Then there's a consumer. Then next one is a business idea: functional wellness drinks and supplements. Consumers are shifting to the soft wellness, prebiotic sodas, mood enhancing drinks, and green powders. Opportunity: launch a small batch drink or supplement brands. Focus on clean ingredients and storytelling. Use the social media and the micro influencers to build a hype. That is the one thing. Then next one is subscription based niche services. Subscription models remain power in 2025. Think food boxes, wellness kits, hobby sets, etc. These are the things that are working here. And example, a plant care subscription with the seeds, care, tips, accessories, that are one thing. And a local artisan small snacks box with the storytelling around the each vendor, that is the one thing. Like everyone is requirement of this and everyone is looking for that. That is the one thing, like everyone is being the craving of. Next one is a remote work tools and microservices. As a remote and hybrid work continues, demand is high for the tools like the niche marketplace, platforms, micro consultancy, or remote team building services. Start lean, offer a virtual onboarding, productivity coaching, or AI enhancing project management tools that are tailored for the small teams. That is the one thing everyone is focusing out. Next one is in the India, AI tools like Dinu and Kisan e-Mitra are boosting the crop yield and lowering cost. That why the idea is the agri-tech AI for farmers. That's a one thing like everyone is talking about. Build the farmer-centric solutions, pest detections via the mobile app, localized crops recommendations, or drone-based monitoring. That is the one thing. And this market is booming with the government support and the real impact. That is the one thing like everyone is talking about that. Next one is a legacy recording and the story preservative services. B-roller, old personal interred, like one trend rising in 2025, capturing the stories like the video, audio, written formats, etc. Why now? Families want to preserve the memories, heritage, and the legacy. Start a recording service, record elder stories, edit packages with the digital and printed keepsakes. That's a one thing like everyone is talking about. Like how to choose that. I'm not sure about which idea fits you, but use the simple framework. Passion plus skills. What are you good at? Low startup cost. Can you test in a lean? Real problem plus paying customers. Validating the demand. If you're good at writing and an India focused thing, maybe offer or AI chat support for the farmers in the local language. That should be a work for you. And these are the tips like everyone is following right now, and that should be one for the execution and different things like working for them. Start with the teeny MVP, talk to the early consumers, use the free tools, Canva, WordPress, etc. Reinvest early revenue into the growth and stay flexible and pivot if needed. That is the one thing everyone is focusing about, and how these are built and how to make these as a judgmental. That will be good for you as well. Let's meet in the next video for the more updates.